You must make me the what?
The leader.
And they accepted to make him the leader. And the man fought a war, led them into war, and they were able to fight the war and win the war. A weak man runs away from problems. A strong man stays and manages the problems. A weak man runs away from problems. A strong man stays and manages the problems. A weak man runs away from problems, but a strong man stays and manages the problems. Can you say problems?
Problems.
Now, you are Ugandans. You are the hope of Uganda. Can you say, I am the hope of Uganda?
I am the hope of Uganda.
I don't hear you.
I am the hope of Uganda.
I don't hear you, people.
I am the hope of Uganda.
I don't hear you.
I am the hope of Uganda.
Speak louder than that.
I am the hope of Uganda.
Yes, you are the hope of Uganda. You are the one who is going to fix the problems of Uganda. You don't run away from Uganda. You love Uganda. You embrace Uganda. Because there is no country like Uganda. There is no country like Uganda. Is there a country better than Uganda?
Sir, no, sir.
Is there a country better than Uganda?
Sir, no, sir.
Is there a country gifted like Uganda?
Sir, no, sir.
Is there a country blessed like Uganda?
Sir, no, sir.
There is no country better than Uganda. There is no country. Every imperfection in Uganda is going to be fixed by you. Every wrong thing in Uganda is going to be fixed by you. Everything you see on TV that is not good, that they're talking about. How many of you see things that are not good in Uganda? Raise up your hand. Raise up your hand straight. I told you when you raise up your hand, you use the right hand straight. Straight, that's not straight. What do you see that is imperfect in Uganda? What do you see?
There are bad roads.
Bad roads. Very good. Thank you, sir. Yes, Benti.
The parliament.
The parliament. Yes, Abram.
Corrupt leaders.
Corrupt leaders. Thank you.
Rubbish disposal.
Rubbish disposal.
Poor accommodation.
Poor accommodation.
Political infrastructure.
Poor political infrastructure.
High crime rate.
High crime rate. Yes, sir.
Police stations.
Police stations. Okay. Yes, sir.
Pollution.
Pollution.
Poor housing.
Poor housing. Yes, sir.
Businesses.
Poor businesses.
And antisocial behavior.
Antisocial behaviors. Yes, sir.
Illiteracy.
Illiteracy. Yes, sir.
Slum development.
Slum development. Yes, sir.
Increasing inflation.
Increasing inflation. Everything that you see that is imperfect in Uganda